From the dawn of humanity, we have created tools to shape our world and improve our lives. Early humans crafted simple tools like flint axes and bone needles, driven by the need to hunt, gather, and survive. These rudimentary instruments were essential for their daily existence, enabling them to adapt to their environment and secure their place in the natural order. These tools reflected their understanding of the world and their priorities. They were not just objects, but extensions of their creators' ingenuity and resourcefulness, embodying the knowledge and skills passed down through generations. As societies grew more complex, so did their tools. The evolution of tools mirrored the advancement of human civilization, from simple handheld implements to sophisticated machinery that could perform intricate tasks with precision. The invention of the printing press revolutionized communication and the spread of knowledge. It democratized information, making it accessible to a broader audience and paving the way for the Enlightenment and scientific progress. The steam engine powered the Industrial Revolution, transforming societies and economies. It enabled mass production, spurred urbanization, and fundamentally altered the way people lived and worked. Each technological leap forward mirrored the values, aspirations, and anxieties of the time. From the mechanization of labor to the digital revolution, every innovation has been a reflection of human ambition and the quest for progress. Today we stand on the cusp of a new era, marked by the rise of artificial intelligence. AI promises to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. AI is not just another tool, it's a mirror reflecting our values, biases, and aspirations back at us. It challenges us to consider what it means to be human in an increasingly automated world. By understanding how our values are encoded in AI, we can shape a future where technology empowers humanity rather than dictating its course. This requires a conscious effort to embed ethical considerations into the design and implementation of AI systems. This journey demands careful consideration of the ethical implications of AI, robust regulation, and active public participation in shaping its development and deployment. Only through collective effort can we ensure that AI serves the greater good and enhances the human experience. AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, collected from various sources around the world. This data, often reflecting human behavior, decisions, and societal norms, becomes the foundation upon which AI learns and makes decisions. It mirrors our actions, our thoughts, and even our prejudices. Consequently, the biases present in our societies, whether conscious or unconscious, can easily seep into these systems, influencing their outputs and decisions. For example, an AI system trained on historical hiring data might perpetuate existing gender or racial biases if that data reflects discriminatory practices. This can lead to unfair outcomes and reinforce existing inequalities.
However, AI is not just a passive recipient of our biases. It has the potential to be much more. It also has the potential to amplify human ingenuity and wisdom, working alongside us to solve complex problems. AI can analyze vast datasets to identify patterns and insights that would elude human analysts, providing us with new perspectives and solutions. This capability can lead to breakthroughs in medicine, environmental science, and countless other fields, transforming our world for the better. By carefully curating the data that trains AI systems and ensuring diverse perspectives are represented in its development, we can mitigate biases and promote fairness. In doing so, we can harness its power for good, creating a future where AI serves all of humanity equitably and justly.
AI's ability to learn from data makes it susceptible to inheriting and perpetuating our biases. This bias can have far-reaching consequences, particularly in areas like criminal justice, healthcare, and finance. Imagine an AI system used to predict recidivism rates that has been trained on data reflecting existing racial disparities in the criminal justice system. Such a system could perpetuate those biases, leading to unjust outcomes for certain groups. The challenge lies in creating AI systems that are not only technically sophisticated, but also ethically sound. This requires a deep understanding of the potential pitfalls of algorithmic bias, and a commitment to developing AI that is fair, transparent, and accountable. Developing ethical AI is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial to ensure that it aligns with our values. This involves addressing questions about fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. For instance, who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? How can we ensure that AI systems are used in ways that benefit society as a whole, rather than exacerbating existing inequalities?
These questions require careful consideration and collaboration between AI developers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. By fostering open dialogue and collaboration, we can work towards creating AI that reflects our shared values and aspirations for a more just and equitable world.
Section 5. The role of regulation: setting boundaries, fostering trust.
Regulation plays a crucial role in shaping the development and deployment of AI. We need clear guidelines and standards to ensure that AI systems are developed and used responsibly.
This includes addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential impact of AI on employment.
However, regulation should not stifle innovation. Instead, it should create a framework that fosters trust in AI while encouraging its development in a way that benefits all of humanity.
A balanced approach to regulation will involve collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and civil society organizations to create a future where AI is a force for good. Section 6. The power of participation: shaping AI together. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's something we actively shape. Public participation is crucial in ensuring that AI reflects the values and priorities of the people it is meant to serve. This means engaging in open dialogues about the ethical implications of AI, advocating for responsible AI development, and demanding transparency and accountability from those developing and deploying these technologies. By making our voices heard, we can help steer the development of AI in a direction that benefits all of humanity. Whether it's through public forums, citizen science initiatives, or simply engaging in informed discussions about AI, every voice counts in shaping our collective future. Section 7. A future shaped by values: choosing the world we want. The choices we make today will determine the kind of world we create with AI. We can choose to embed our values of fairness, justice, and compassion into these systems, using AI to build a more equitable and sustainable world. Or, we can allow AI to amplify existing inequalities, leading to a future where technology exacerbates social divisions and undermines human dignity. The power to choose lies with us. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering public participation, and implementing thoughtful regulation, we can harness the transformative potential of AI to create a future that reflects our shared values and aspirations. Section 8. AI and the Human Legacy: a Shared Destiny. As we stand at this pivotal crossroads in history, it is crucial to remember that AI is not a separate entity from humanity. It is, in fact, an extension of our collective selves. The technology we create mirrors our values, our hopes, and our fears. The values we embed in our technologies will ultimately shape the kind of ancestors we become. These values will be the legacy we pass on to future generations, influencing how they perceive us and the world we helped create. Will we be remembered for creating a future where AI empowers human potential and solves global challenges? Imagine a world where AI helps us achieve our highest aspirations, from curing diseases to addressing climate change. Or will our legacy be defined by the unchecked amplification of our biases and the erosion of human dignity? The choices we make today will determine whether AI becomes a tool for good or a mechanism that perpetuates inequality and injustice. The future is not preordained, it is a choice. Each decision we make, no matter how small, contributes to the larger tapestry of our shared destiny. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering public participation, and implementing thoughtful regulation, we can harness the transformative potential of AI to create a future that reflects our shared values and aspirations. It is through collective effort and vigilance that we can ensure AI serves the greater good. The time to act is now. Our actions today will echo through the corridors of time, shaping the world for generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion. Our algorithmic future. The age of AI is upon us. It is an age filled with both promise and peril. The choices we make today will determine the course of human history for generations to come. By approaching AI development with a deep sense of responsibility, we can create a future where technology empowers humanity, strengthens our bonds, and helps us build a more just and equitable world for all. Let us choose wisely.